guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 6. Today I have a fun little Dia & Co. holiday dress try on. I did ask them to send me these dresses, but actually they sent me 2 dresses and jeans and a skirt and a shirt. So I'm not too thrilled about that. I wanted a whole box of dresses to try for the holidays, but it's cool. I'm in love with 2 of these, so I hope you guys love them. And usually I'll sit down and show you guys every piece, but I'm losing daylight, so I'm gonna just jump right into the try on so you guys can see it. And I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys are enjoying my Vlogmas. Let me know in the comments below what other types of videos you guys want to see for this season, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you love this. These dresses I will list the names down below and the prices, and then I'll also list the my code. With my code that I'll list below, you can get $20, your styling fee waived. So your first box would basically be free as far as the styling fee goes. You would just pay for any items that you decide to keep. If you're not familiar with Dia & Co., Dia & Co. is a plus size style subscription box service where you could set it up to receive a box either every 2 weeks or monthly or every 2 months, every 3 months. It's, you know, you could set your preferences to what works for you, but it's a styling service, and a stylist, they set a stylist for you that helps you choose really cute items. They can make the selections based on like your favorites. You're allowed to pin different, you know, different outfits and show them kind of like what you like, what your style is. You could put your sizing in there, or you could select up to 3 items, and then the stylist just kind of styles around those items. So it's a really cool service. You should definitely check it out if you're looking for cute plus size clothing, and this has all been really good quality. I have reviewed them before, so make sure you check out my other Dia & Co videos. And yeah, let me get into this try on before it gets dark outside. Okay, you guys, so this dress is what holiday dreams are made of. This dress is so beautiful. It is a royal blue Lyra belted fit and flare dress by Chic. This is a XXL, a 24, and it retails for $89. Oh my God, I absolutely love the fit. This dress fit me perfectly. I was scared that it wasn't gonna fit, but it was so comfortable. It has a lot of stretch, and it has a stretchy belt. It was just such a pretty color. This blue is my color. Like, I've been looking for what's my color, and this is it. I absolutely love the detailing in this dress, the cinched waist with the belt and the flared, like kind of flared out skirt. It's such a beautiful dress. I absolutely fell in love with this dress. Very good quality material. It was just, this dress is everything. And if I was going to keep anything, it would probably be this dress. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to keep it though. The price is a little steep for a dress. I don't typically pay $89 for it, but I do have some Dia credit in my account, so I might go ahead and use it for this dress because I just loved it so much. This is, oh my God, it was the most beautiful thing I've ever freaking seen. It was beautiful. I wish it was a little shorter, but oh my God, it's just perfect. It's just a perfect dress. This one too, I absolutely fell in love with. I'm really happy with these 2 dresses. This red dress, oh my gosh. This is the, let's see which one this is. This is the Lucy Lace Fit and Flare dress in red by London Times. This one is a size 24. It retails for $69. The lace detailing is just beautiful on this dress. It was a very, very like feminine lace dress. I love lace dresses. I would say the waist area, that belt was kind of small, but the actual dress itself has stretch in it, and it has like that lining underneath, so it does have stretch. I feel like the belt was a little bit too small for me here, but the dress itself was absolutely gorgeous. I just love the detailing, the print, just a little pretty red, the perfect red Christmas dress. This dress is perfect for Christmas, for the holidays. Like, it's just a very festive, dressy, you know, you could dress it up or down. You could put this with some heels, or you could wear it with like some flats, but it's a beautiful, beautiful dress, and I absolutely fell in love with it. Again, once you get your box, they show you a 25% off towards the, like, if you wanted to keep all the items, they give you a 25% off discount. So it's really good because you do get a discount on the items if you decide to keep everything. Okay, so this one, not my favorite. They just threw this in the box. I didn't pick this, but this is a, let's see, this is a pencil skirt by, it's an Oroville pencil skirt in navy blue in a 2X by Leota. Super stretchy. This skirt had a ton of stretch. Not my style, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. The skirt does retail for $65. And they sent this purple shirt, which I don't think it matches the skirt, but I just put it together because that's the only shirt they sent me. The shirt is full of stretch. It is by East Adeline, a 3/4 sleeve button sleeve tee in a purple. So there you see me trying it on with the jeans they sent. That shirt retails for $32 and it's in a 3X. The jeans are by Curve Appeal, the Bergen skinny jeans in a 24 medium wash. They retail for $69 and they were really comfortable. They have like a lot of like stickers, as you can see. I didn't remove them because I'm not keeping the jeans, but these jeans, they fit like a glove. They just fit really comfortable. These jeans are made for like, I don't know, it just said like tummy tucking and butt flattering, compression jeggings. It kind of pissed me off how many stickers trying to reduce your body size these pants had. But whatever. I just wanted to try them on so you guys can see them. The jeans fit well. The top fit very well. If I wanted to keep everything, it would be, after a 25% discount, the total would be $243, but that's for 5 pieces. The merchandise total is $324. So with the discount, keeping everything, that's an $81 discount. So it would be a total of $243, which is actually really good for those 2 beautiful dresses and, you know, for 5 pieces for the holidays. I think it's a great deal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit me like a ton of bread.